In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the Paradise Island RP Discord server. So you want to open up Discord and scroll down until you see this plus sign. You want to select it. Then from here where it says have an invite already, we want to select join a server. And here's what we type: discord.gg/8 lowercase w g v capital G J RQ lowercase g and capital P. So this is the Discord link, and we want to select join server. So as you can see right here, you will be able to select which game you are joining from. So if we do Paradise Island and we just click on the button right here, as you can see, we have joined the official Paradise Island Discord server. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.